Login loop error on Pockit Fix. If you keep getting stuck in a login loop on the Pockit app where you sign in, it loads for a second and then bounces you right back to the login screen. Don't worry, you're not alone. Most users assume their password is wrong, but the surprising truth is that this issue usually comes from corrupted cache files or an outdated app version. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, completely close the Pockit app. Don't just minimize it. Then, go to your phone settings, find the Pockit app, and clear the cache and stored data. This removes any old or expired login sessions that might be causing the loop. Next, check for an update in the App Store or Google Play. Pockit regularly releases fixes for authentication errors, so updating the app often resolves the problem immediately. Once updated, open the app again and log in manually. Avoid using password managers or autofill for this first attempt. If you use fingerprint or face it login, disable it temporarily. Re-enable it after you've successfully logged in once. Another common culprit is network settings. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Sometimes public Wi-Fi or VPNs block Pockit's authentication servers, causing the app to restart the lock-in process. Also, make sure your phone's time and date are set to automatic. A mismatched system clock can make your security token invalid, leading to the endless loop. After doing all this, relaunch the app and sign in again. It should now take you straight to your dashboard without looping. So, if you're trapped in that frustrating login circle on Pockit, remember it's not your account, it's just your app cache or connection. Clearing and updating it takes only a minute, and your account access will be restored.